Hi folks, that's Android.com, where we get on Android every day. Anyway, today we're going to go ahead and unbox this bad boy. It's an EC Technology power bank that's rated at 22,400 milliamp hour. That means you can recharge your Note 3 or 4 like 5-6 times, S5 or S4 maybe like 6-7 times. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Let's go do this, baby. Hi folks, so I've got unboxing of the EC Technology USB portable charger. I'm getting ready for CES 2015, and I'll be bringing a bunch of my phones, a bunch of USB devices, my Google Glass. Now I already own a ton. I own like 5 or 6 different USB portable chargers. They all max out at 10,000 milliamp hour. So, you know, for those I'll put it in my pockets and stuff, but I wanted like a super high capacity that I could put it in my backpack, have some of my phones charging while I walk around. So I wanted something super high capacity, and this is one of those ones I've ordered. I actually have a bunch more coming, but this one has 22,400 milliamp hour with 3 USB ports. So this is going to be great for those of you going camping or something. Or you have a professional journalism job like I do. Well, not professional, but sort of, semi. If you do have a professional job there, then you can go ahead and get one of these, which is super high capacity, and it's going to charge, let me do a math here. So if you have a Note 3 that has about 3,000 milliamp hour, so at 22,400 divided by almost 3,200, you could charge your Note 3 7 times. So, you know, if your Note 3 lasts you about 2 days, that's like 14 days of power. And it's got the nice LEDs here. I think it's all charged up there. It has iPhone, Samsung Tab, iPad, and I think those are actually different voltages. Let me take a look at the instruction. Oh, no. We'll take a look right here. It should tell us. Input, it will charge at 2 amps. 5 volts, so it will charge pretty fast. So iPhone output is actually 1 amp, Samsung Tab is 2 amps, and iPad is 2.4 amps. So if you want the maximum charge, you would use the iPad 2 port. And it has a power button here, and I think you should be able to hold it down to use the LED flash. It's supposed to be a 1-watt LED flash. Nope. How to use it. There we go. Double tap. I figured it out without reading the manual. So nice little LED for emergencies, and it actually has two different outputs. So double tap, it gets brighter and then turns off. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. And it actually has a flashing mode also, strobe mode. So let me go ahead and test it out for a couple days and see if this charger actually lives up to its 22,400 milliamp hour, and also I will have an analysis of it. But one thing I really like is that the input is micro USB. Some of these high output USB chargers I've seen actually require a separate adapter, which is a bitch because, you know, you're gonna have to carry a separate adapter. But this one is gonna be great. You're gonna be able to charge with any micro USB input there. So I'm going to go ahead and charge it all the way, test it out, and I'll be back. But looking pretty good. It is, I would say, about 3 pounds, maybe 4, 3.5, but in a nice portable pack here. After a couple days of using the EC Technology power bank, it is pretty awesome. One of the things I've noticed that's cool about this power bank is that the input is 5 volts 2 amps. So if you're going to charge, make sure you use anything like adapter with 2 amps or higher and use that input. Also, you can charge using your USB on your computer. If you have a USB 3.0 port, use that and it will charge faster. Charging does, however, take quite a long time, maybe like 6 to 8 hours if you use 2 amps. But you can recharge a ton of devices. And I've been testing it. There's actually 3 outputs like I showed you in the unboxing. The iPad and the iPhone, the iPad and the Galaxy Tab, these 2 outputs are 2 amps or higher. So you can simultaneously charge like 2 Note 4s, like super quick, or tablets. Also, you have another 1 amp, so you can use all 3. One of the things I've noticed compared to the smaller power banks, I've noticed that this one doesn't heat as much. I believe it's because it's got a bigger battery, so it's got higher output draw, which is nice, so it never gets hot. It is exactly, I actually have a stamps meter here. It weighs exactly 1 pound and 5 ounces, so just over a pound. And I'm gonna take this to CES with me. And also, I do have another unboxing coming up. This one's really cool too. Now the difference between this one and this one is that this one you can go ahead and use micro USB to charge, but you can't charge the power bank and your phones at the same time. But this one you can, and also it comes with a bunch of adapters, so you can actually recharge your laptop. And we'll have an unboxing of this soon. But do check this one out if you want a super high capacity power bank. This is a very good deal for your money. I think I got it for like $39.99. Yeah, right now it's on sale, so definitely pick one of these up. You can check out the link in the description. And yeah, that's about it. I will see you guys soon. As always, stay on Android.